Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel 1 to Step, and in today's video I'll be teaching you how to enable Do Not Disturb on individual contact on iPhone. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, make sure that your iOS is up to date. To follow this method, to check if your iPhone is up to date or not, go to your settings app, then tap on General. After that, tap on Software Update. Then make sure that you're running on the latest firmware. If you see any update button on this page, tap on update, and once your iOS is up to date, go back to the settings home page. Once you're on the home page, you will see this option Focus, tap on it. Then tap on the first option, that is Do Not Disturb. Once you get to this page, tap on this option People. Once you tap on it, you will get two options, Silence Notifications From and Allow Notifications From. So difference between Silence Notification From and Allow Notifications From is, if you select Allow Notifications From and select People by tapping on this button, you will get notifications from the persons that you have selected from this list. And if you select Silence Notifications From, then tap on Add People, the notification from the person you have selected from this list will be silenced. That means you can enable Do Not Disturb on a specific person. So in order to do that, tap on this button, then select the person that you want to silence. I'll just select this contact and this contact, then tap on Done button. Once you do that, notifications from these persons will be silenced. So this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon to get notified every time we upload new videos. And I'll catch you on the next one.